Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 4th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame. So this WXY analysis I've been talking about for over a week now is playing out perfectly. I think this is a 1, 2, 3, which I think is not over yet. I think it's going to at least stretch out to these highs and maybe even higher. We got our Fibonacci extension on here for areas of resistance, but I would definitely be looking at anything I see to the downside as likely just a pullback within this ABC of wave W pattern that we're currently in. So keeping all that in mind, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for longs only right now. And unfortunately, which I do say this a lot of my videos, the strategy right now is to be already long, waiting for an exit from one of these previous pullbacks, or the strategy is to be waiting patiently for a new pullback to go long again. I personally wouldn't be trying to go long now, and I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short now. So I would have to either already be long, looking for an exit, or I would have to be patiently waiting for a new entry. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.